Ever tried an umbrella that closes into its cover? This is a simple and fast review of the Bodyguard inverted windproof travel umbrella. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. So as we get this out of its bag, I got to cut this off, but I just want to show you that this comes very well protected, packaged, all that stuff. Trying to hide, it's got a QR code on that. Comes with a cover, really nice push button, reflective edge here. I'm not sure if it's reflecting or not, but on the camera, but it is reflective. So we'll pop this open outside, but I just wanted to show you kind of some of the capabilities. It'll never be this tight and clean looking again, but yeah, who cares? Looks like it will do a nice job. This is kind of where it bends in. This will be my tip. So we'll go ahead and open it and close it outside and show it from there. All right, so all we do is undo this and then just press the button. And as you can see, it's really good size. Great for coverage. Press it back down and it pops back into place. Then we're just going to pull it closed, or you can actually push it, whatever's easiest for you. So again, it's as simple as that. Just pull it closed from there. Then you're just going to wrap it back up. And it's perfect for storing. And it actually does a really nice job of getting closed. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helps, and thanks for watching.